Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in a series. Well, a follow-up on that Marx 400 that showed up this afternoon. As you can see, I've got the shell repaired. The shell is actually in really, really decent condition. Not a whole lot of play wear. It's been sitting for decades, but it hasn't been played with much. As you can see, there's no damage to the shell at all. The rear mounting plate was gone. So I just took one out of a broken shell, snapped it in, and we're up and running. So I've got this on the Lionel rail, pulling 10 Lionel cars. Just thought I'd do a quick video so you can see this thing running. As you see, was that worth $7? And I was the only bidder on this. And that's right at 40% power. So it runs absolutely perfectly, forward and reverse. Has a working headlight. Let's take it up to 50% power. As you can see, that is flying around this rail. Turn it back to 40%. So it's up and running. So I gotta say it, don't overlook the jump. This thing was $7 and I was the only bidder because it looked absolutely terrible. But when you see these things, look past the paint, look past the problems. The only thing I saw wrong with it was the mounting plate was missing. And so the motor was just hanging out the bottom of the shell. And when you post a photo like that, no one wants it. So it sat about 2 weeks on eBay. I put a $7 bid on it at least a week ago and just got notified that I had won. So the only bidder. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. A couple of drops of oil, clean it up a bit. And as you see, that looks more than respectable. It was definitely worth the $7. So just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.